Okay, now I will ask you questions. I will ask you questions and you have to give answers. I will ask verbal and WH questions. Okay, so I want perfection from you, and also you have to focus on grammatically perfection. Okay, so first, where will you go tomorrow?
I will go tomorrow market.
Hmm. Where had you gone yesterday? Tell
I
fast.
I had gone uh, I had gone market yesterday.
Next, what will you eat today? What will you eat now?
I
I
will eat the dal bhat.
Hmm. Okay. Next, when will you go there? When will you go there?
yes,
I
I
will
will
go there.
go there.
When will you go there?
Yes, I will go there uh, tomorrow.
Don't use yes here. In WH question, don't use yes. Huh? When verbal
Okay.
questions is there, then you have to give answer yes or no. Start. Next, which book do you like? Which book do you like?
I like Chhatrapati story.
Repeat, please, Shreya.
I like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj storybook.
Okay. Next, where has she gone? Where has she gone?
She has gone market.
Hmm. Next, have you eaten pineapple? Have you eaten pineapple?
Yes, I have
I
eaten pineapple.
Yes. Repeat, please. Talk loudly.
Yes, I have eaten pineapple.
Next, why don't you go there? Why don't you go there? Tell fast, tell fast.
I went gone there. No.
Why don't you go there? Shreya, tell.
I don't go there some problems.
Yes, because of some problems. Okay. Next, which party did you attend? Which party did you attend?
I attend uh, birthday party. Attended birthday party.
Yes, okay, very good. Next, huh, uh, where is she? Where is she going? Where is she going?
She is going to market.
Yes. Um, Next, are you bringing? Are you bringing for me a new bag? Are you bringing for me a new bag
Yes, I am bringing for new bag.
or you new bag? Next, what were they giving you? What were they giving you? Tell fast, tell fast.
They was giving me
Wrong.
They were giving
They were giving me. What were they giving? Full answer. They were giving me a bag. Say object, you can tell anything, but you have to concentrate on subject to be your friend verb. Okay. Next, what were you giving them? What were you giving them?
hello.
What were you giving them? Tell fast.
I
Tell.
giving them uh,
Wrong.
some
You miss one
food.
word. You miss one word. What were you giving them? Tell first answer.
was giving
Them.
them
Giving them one gift. In object you don't think more. Object you can tell anything. I was giving them one pen. Anything you can give answer. Next, where had they gone? Where had they gone?
I
Where
They
had?
had
had gone to Mumbai.
Yes, they had. Next, had you had you brought for me new dress? Trupti give answer. Had you
Hello,
brought
ma'am.
for
I can't listen.
how?
I have brought. Uh, hello.
What sorry. Had you brought for me a new dress?
Yes, I had brought new dress.
Brought for you new dress. Brought for you. Okay. Next,
Okay.
does she watch a movie? Does she watch a movie?
She watches a movie.
Yes, she watches a movie. Okay. Next, did you did you throw their dust? Did you throw their dust?
I I threw I threw dust.
Yes, I threw their dust. Okay. When verbal question, then you have to start yes or no. Understood?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Next, what have you seen there? Pragnati, what have you seen there?
what?
What have you seen there?
Yes, I have seen phone.
There. I have seen their phone. Yeah. WH question, in WH question you don't start yes or no. If only verbal questions you have to start yes or no. Next, how many times have you gone there? How many times have you gone there? Tell
I
fast.
have gone there 3 times.
Next,
Have gone there 3 times.
do you like to read book? Ratnati.
Yes, I like book.
No, no. My question was, do you like to read book? Yes, I like to read book. Like and read. There are two verbs. So middle I join two. Means middle you have to join two. I like to read book. Understood? Yes. Okay. So okay, you have given your best performance. But you have given your best performance. But I want speed from you. You have to concentrate on your speed as well as grammar. Okay.